Yep.
Alright. Try to get unstuck now. She's four-wheel drive, as you can see. It's pretty stuck over there. A lot of snow on the side, tires. So I'm gonna go give it a shot.
I can't see this. Okay, you might climb in the driver's or passenger side. You better do this quick. My fingers are cold. You better not hit me either. He's gonna fail. Almost out. I wonder if the neighbors are watching this. God, my boyfriend's an idiot. Holy shit, he did it. I hope he's not playing. Dude, no, no. Boyfriend's an idiot. Yeah. One of the neighbors just came out and saw what he was doing. Don't go that way. You're an idiot. Alright, I'm turning this damn